Stop whatever you're doing right now and make sure to have your sound turned up. In this short video, you'll discover the world's first AI app transforms your boring WordPress into amazing AI WordPress powered with must-have 250-plus AI apps from a single dashboard with no monthly fees and no annual fees during this launch period. So if you too are willing to upgrade your boring WordPress websites into stunning AI WordPress with 250-plus premium AI apps without integrating a single AI app yourself, without logging into multiple and expensive AI platforms, without giving commands and prompts repeatedly to AI apps, without uploading and downloading AI-generated creatives manually, without paying huge every month for third-party AI platforms, you're in for a great surprise today. Presenting WP AI Hub. The world's first AI app transforms your boring WordPress into amazing AI WordPress powered with must-have 250-plus AI apps from a single dashboard in just 3 steps at an unbeatable low one-time price. Just follow 3 easy steps. Number 1, log in. Number 2, activate. Number 3, sit back and profit. And that's it. You're all set to power up your websites with the world's first WordPress AI powerhouse with no initial investment or third-party dependency. Here are some amazing benefits you get with WP AI Hub. World's first AI app converts any basic WordPress into amazing AI WordPress website in 3 clicks. Integrate world's most advanced 250-plus premium AI apps into your WordPress from one single dashboard. No need to log in, copy, paste, or download any content, image, video, and many more. Say goodbye to paying huge monthly to complex and expensive AI apps. Easily tap into 835 million WordPress websites and convert them into AI WordPress websites. Get 250-plus premium AI apps like ChatGPT-4, Runway Gen 1, Deep AI, Synthesis, Jasper Art, Leonardo AI, Meta Llama 3, Gemini Pro, DALL-E 2, Copilot Pro, etc. for no monthly fees. Let AI drive 10x business growth for your basic WordPress site. Use artificial intelligence to automate everything and convert boring WordPress websites on the fly. Tap into billions of hungry buyers looking to get 10x growth for their websites using AI. Get exclusive commercial license to create and sell profitable AI WordPress websites to globally scattered audience. 0 third-party platforms, logging, 0 manual work, and 0 configuration. Get hordes of hungry clients in a jiffy. Find out how even newbies can save anywhere between $975 to $1,895 monthly from expensive AI platforms using our technology. Join thousands of marketers using latest AI WordPress websites to attract hordes of customers and make billions of dollars. 100% easy to use, newbie-friendly technology that's never seen before. And to sweeten the deal, we're also offering tons of premium bonuses that are available only during this special launch deal. We're confident that this much value's never been offered at such a low price, and if you act now, you'll also receive our limited-time commercial license. That means you could use this for your clients and charge them monthly for this top-notch solution. But make it fast, as this is a limited-time offer. Once you close this page, and this special deal will be a goner. To remove all risks, your purchase is fully covered by our 30-day ironclad money-back guarantee. But you need to hurry. Once this special launch is over, WP AI Hub will only be available for a premium monthly fee only. So you've been warned that this incredible price will disappear as the timer strikes 0. Click on the button below this video to get WP AI Hub for the lowest price. Good luck, and we'll see you inside.